What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Tommy God Bless channel. It's Brianna here, and we are back with another video. Right now, it's about 4 a.m., and my mom is capturing my dad trying to clear the snow off his car so he could head to work. Let's enjoy a quick snippet. Interacting with the snow, or even as much as stepping outside, is really hard when it's freezing cold, so props to my dad. Look how beautiful the fresh snow is, untouched. Now my dad will continue to shovel the snow so he can drive out the parking lot. Ooh, this looks like a lot of work. Okay, so this is my dad trying to drive out the parking lot, and you can just see the tires revving in the video. The man outside the car is my dad's friend trying to help him because this is a group effort.
That's right.
Hold on, let me clear this thing.
He is moving slowly but surely. Look at the amount of snow on the ground. You can barely see the concrete. That's how deep it is. I just can't believe my dad still wants to go to work in this weather. Me? I couldn't.
Stay home, my love. Time your yard.
No, let me go to the next show.
You know, you go for next shovel. I'm telling you to stay home. You go and grab next shovel.
That's a wrap, everyone. I hope you enjoyed. Stay warm, and I'll see you again.